Presenting Pavni Royale, groundbreaking project in joint collaboration between Pavni Group and Telangana government, setting a new standard as the state's first and largest land pooling development is strategically located near Kothur Shadnagar in Immur Narba village. This prestigious project spans 95 acres with a 100% legally clear title approved by the Telangana government's legal cell and HMDA. The project will soon be auctioned by HMDA, making it a safe and secure real estate investment opportunity. By acquiring the landowner's share before the auction, investors can benefit from high appreciation and substantial price growth, ensuring maximum returns. Pavni Royale is enriched with lush green landscapes developed by HMDA Urban Forestry. The entire project is executed by NCC, Nagarjuna Construction Company, ensuring unmatched quality, reliability and excellence. This is more than just an investment. It's an opportunity to be part of a landmark development shaping the future of Telangana. Project highlights 1200 plots ranging from 200 to 1000 square yards, designed with Vastu principles and ideal for residential or commercial purposes. 100% legal clear title, vetted by the Telangana government's legal cell, ensuring secure investment. Full infrastructure with 24/7 security and compound wall, CCTV surveillance, underground drainage, water pipelines, rainwater harvesting and LED street lights. Pavni Royale offers well-planned amenities including children's play areas, scenic landscaping and BT roads. The highlight is a picturesque 10-acre lake with serene seating, blending natural beauty with modern living. Situated right next to the proposed regional ring road RRR at Kothur, Shamshabad, placing you in the heart of Hyderabad's rapidly expanding southern growth corridor. Conveniently located new key amenities such as schools, hospitals and major industrial hubs. Pavni Royale is surrounded by prominent establishments including the Microsoft Data Center, Procter & Gamble, P&G, Natco Units 1 and 2 and is adjacent to the Mekaguda Special Economic Zone. Says the project is also in close proximity to the upcoming 4th city, Future AI City, Quantra Pokarna Industries, MSN Pharma and Johnson & Johnson, ensuring excellent connectivity to thriving business centers and future growth corridors. With a range of plot sizes, a secure and well-connected location and the ongoing development of key industries nearby, Pavni Royale promises exceptional value and future growth. Invest today in Pavni Royale, where unmatched security, peace of mind and guaranteed appreciation come together to shape your future. Pavni Group, a trusted name in Hyderabad's real estate since 1995, specializes in premium residential, commercial and retail spaces recognized in every Hyderabad household. It has earned the trust of over 10,000 clients and developed an impressive portfolio spanning 20+ million square feet of space. We create spaces that enhance lives and foster vibrant communities.